Hello kids, welcome again to Maths class with Teacher Zati. Our today's topic is multiplying decimals, okay? So now this is a step-by-step lesson guide for you today. So let's look at our lesson objectives for today. So today we are going to multiply decimals up to 2 decimal places by a 1-digit whole number without and with regrouping. Now for your S to S, which is your steps to success, first you need to line up your number in column and then the decimals will be on top while the whole number will be at the bottom, di bawah, at the very right. I'm going to show you this later. And secondly, you need to multiply the digit from the right to the left. And lastly, you count the decimal place and put the correct decimal place in your final answer. Okay, let's get straight to the first example. Now, this one, the question is to find the product of 2.34 by 2. Now, as you all know, product here means multiply. So how are we going to multiply 2.34 by 2? So let's get started with our first step. Okay, step number 1. You line up your number in column. As you can see here, the decimals, your decimals 2.34 here will be on top while your whole number will be at the bottom at the very right under 4, which is here is under 100th. Okay, so this is how you're going to do your working. All right, next. For step number 2, you are going to multiply the digit from the from the right to the left. Now, this one is just like multiplying whole number. Okay, first, what you're going to do is that you're going to identify the digit that is on the very right, which is here is the 100th, which is 4. So 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Okay, now then we move to the next one, which is the 10th here, which is 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Okay, lastly, we move to the ones, which is 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Okay, then we move on to the last step, which is to count the decimal place and put the correct decimals in your final answer. So this one is to decide where you are going to put your decimal point. So first, what you're going to do, using your decimal number that is given to you, count the decimal place. Okay, so here we're going to consider arrow 1, 2. Okay, from 4, 1 to 3, 2. Then they put the decimal place there. So using the same decimal place, which is 2 decimal place, you're going to do the same with your answer. So from 8 here, 1, 2. And then you put your decimal there. So your answer will be 4.68. That's it. So that is your final answer, which is 4.68. That's easy, isn't it? All right, now let's move on to the next example. Now, if you see the next example is involving regrouping, okay, we're going to see how we're going to do that. The question here said multiply 2.46 by 5. So as usual, for step number 1, you're going to put it in column here. So you're going to put the decimal on top, 2.46, and the whole number at the bottom at the very right. Sebelah kanan, paling ujung sebelah kanan. Okay, so this is how your working should look like. Now move on to step number 2. You are going to multiply the digit from the right to the left. Again, from the right to the left. So we're going to start from the 100th here. So 6 multiplied by 5, which is 30. So you need to know your multiplication. Now, if you find it difficult to recall your multiplication, what you can do is that, as usual, you can list out your timetable 5, okay, before you start your working, all right? So 6 multiplied by 5, 30. You regroup the 3 tenths there, okay? Then we move on multiplying the 10th, 4 multiplied by 5, which is 20, add up with 3, that will be 23. So 3 there, and you regroup with 2 to the ones, okay? Next, we multiply the ones, which is 2 multiplied by 5, which give us 10, plus 2, which give us 12. So that will be your answer. And then move on to step number 3. We are going to put the decimal place. Count the decimal place first. We have 2 decimal place, 1, 2 decimal place. And then we decide again in the answer, also 2 decimal place, 1, 2. Using the arrow, and there we go. We put our point there. Your answer will be 12.30, and that is your final answer. Well, that's it. It's easy, isn't it? Okay, let us do some recap here. So our lesson objective today was to multiply decimals up to 2 decimal places by 1-digit whole number. So how are you going to do that? As usual, as I said just now, first you line up your number in column, and remember, the decimal place will be on top while the whole number will be at the bottom at the very right, paling hujung sebelah kanan. Okay, and then what you do, you just multiply the digit from the right to the left as usual. Okay, and then lastly, you are going to put in your decimal place. How are you going to do that? Is by counting first how many decimal place you have in your decimal number. And then using the same number of decimal, you put it in your final answer. That's it. Okay, so as usual for today's task, you have 3 things to do. First, you're going to complete your practice worksheet using the live worksheet. Secondly, you're going to complete your exercise using the Microsoft form. And this is important because in this Microsoft form, this exercise is where your mark will be taken, okay? And lastly, have some fun using the Kahoot to do some online quiz, okay? So now all tasks need to be completed by 12 p.m., 12 tengah hari, tomorrow on Friday, 1st October 2021, all right? Okay, all the best, kids, and thank you.